Morning students, how are you? I am Francis sir and today we will be studying standard 7 physics. Okay, so the chapter we are dealing with today is weather, climate and the adaptations of animal on climates. Okay, so before going through this chapter, let's talk about some events. For instance, yesterday day before yesterday you might have experienced that it was raining. Yes, the whole day it rained. Today it's not raining but it is cloudy. Yes. Some other days, few days before, what was that the weather was means the whole day was quite sunny. So you understand that every next day is not having the same type of atmospheric condition. Sometimes the day is very hot and sunny. Sometimes it is cloudy, and sometimes it is raining. And sometimes it is cloudy, and we feel a lot of sweating like. So that is called humidity. That is called your humidity. So this type of different atmospheric condition, the condition of the atmosphere. Condition of the atmosphere, for example, how can we say what is the condition of the atmosphere? If you are too much sweating, and it is not very hot but you are still sweating, that means there is a lot of moisture in the air. That content of moisture present in the air is called humidity. Or it is very hot, it is very sunny, very hot, almost 44 to 45 degrees centigrade. We say the weather is very hot because we are feeling hot because of the atmosphere is hot. Sometimes the air becomes so hot, that you say that Loo has come, Loo is blowing. So what is that? The atmosphere is becoming hot, the atmosphere is becoming humid, the atmosphere is becoming cloudy, the atmosphere is getting cold. So all these things, different types of condition of the atmosphere can be termed to as weather. Can be termed to as weather. Okay, so let's start. What is weather? Short-term atmospheric condition at a particular place. Yes, you might have experienced that the place in which you are, the weather at that place is not the same as weather at some other place. For instance, it may be raining here in Godda maybe, but there might be some other place, for example Australia, at that place it might be having what? Snowfall. Or in places somewhere like Antarctica, at that place it may be very cold wind might be blowing, or in maybe in USA it might be raining, yes, or maybe in Rajasthan in India, hot winds might be blowing. So the places are different, so does the weather. Maybe they can be same, but it is not for certain that weather may be same or weather may be different. Okay, so weather is what? An atmospheric condition at a particular place. Okay, now we will see about some of the elements of weather. Okay, elements of weather are temperature, rainfall, wind speed and humidity. These four are the elements of weather. Means how do we define what type of weather are there? We can define weather by these four terms. Whether the weather is hot or cold, whether it is raining or dry, whether it is humid or it is dry, or whether the wind is blowing at a high speed or at a low speed or at a moderate speed. Sometimes the cyclone comes, a huge means the wind blows with a great speed. Yes, so that is called cyclone or storm. Yes, but when the wind blows with a normal speed, we say it what? Breeze. What we say? Breeze. And when wind does not blow, we say that the air is still. Okay, so these are the conditions, these are the parameters by which we can define weather. Means what type of weather we are experiencing. Okay, now we have one more thing, nowadays as the science and technology has developed a lot, in the late 18th century and the 19th century, there was a requirement that the people thought it would be very, very good, if we come to know about, the weather or the climate in before. For example, if there is a cyclone coming or a storm coming, if we are able to know that from before, then it will be easy for us to move the people from there, and so that the lesser and lesser people may be what uh, may get harm. Okay, lesser and lesser people may get harm because of that natural calamity. Or maybe sometimes regarding that earthquake also, that earthquake, if we could detect earlier, it is very good for us to save so many lives, because of that earthquake and all. So weather forecasting has quite improved nowadays. But before talking about more about weather forecasting, yes, we should know actually what is weather forecasting. Weather forecasting is a process, by which we can foretell. We can foretell about the weather of the future. Future means 1 or 2 days ahead. Yes, we can predict what is the weather for the next 1 week maybe. So it is good for us. Why? Because if some people who are living basically near the coastal areas, or the people who are going for ship journeys, sea journeys, they are moving on the seas, and it is very difficult for them, for the people to rescue those people like fishermen, and that when the cyclone suddenly approaches. So to prevent this loss of life and property, it is always better that we could forecast weather. Okay. So weather forecasting, it is a process to forecast the weather conditions. Okay, this can be done by the help of satellite pictures. Satellite being or satellites are thousands and thousands of satellites are present in our space, and they give us picture of the atmospheric condition going on in the earth, and with the help of that images we can understand about the weather conditions, and we can foretell that. Okay, so that was about weather forecasting. There is one more thing. The science of weather forecasting is called meteorology. Okay, the science of weather forecasting is called meteorology, and the scientists who do this, they are called meteorologists. Okay, now we move on to a very important some of the devices which helps us to read the weather. For example, we have the maximum and minimum thermometer. This is the special type of thermometer, which records the maximum temperature of the day, and as well as the minimum temperature of a day. And this gives us the average weather condition that went on through the whole of day. This helps us to predict, read the climate conditions of a whole place or whole area or whole country with the help of these maximum and minimum thermometer readings. Okay, so this is a very important device. It gives us a great bit of information about the weather and climate of a particular place. Okay. Now there is one more device that is called the rain gauge. What is the rain gauge? Rain gauge is a device. Which is used to measure the average rainfall at a particular place. For example, you might have heard that in India, if we if we talk of India, you know, these portions and these portions receive more than 400 centimeter of rainfall. So how do we get this reading? This reading, you know, how do we get in these areas that the rainfall is more than 400 centimeter? We get this reading because of the help of this rain gauge. Rain gauge is a device which helps us to measure the average rainfall of a particular area. The same goes with our area. For example, this central eastern area, the average rainfall is almost 100 centimeters to 250 centimeters. So how is that we get this reading? Because of the rain gauge. You know, it is a device. Rain gauges can be of small size also and as well as a big size also. Okay? Okay. So that was about our rain gauge. So this weather is almost over. Okay? We will start a bit of climate and we will move on to the next. I will discuss in detail about the climate in the next video. Okay? So let's see what the climate says. The climate is the average weather condition and it is over a long period of time. So what is climate? Climate is the average of all the weather conditions. Means we take the average of all weather conditions for how much long time? It may be almost from maybe 25 to 30 years or maybe even 40 years. So long time duration. So long time duration. We take the average conditions of the weather and then we find out what is the amount of, what is the type of climate experience in that particular place. Okay. So there is a bit of difference between climate and weather. Basically, what is the difference? It is an average weather condition over a short period of time, and this is a weather average of the weather conditions over a long period of time. Weather changes every next day, or even a very short, maybe even in a day, maybe even in a day it changes for 2 times. But this does not happen with climate. It does not change so easily. Okay, so we will discuss more about climate in the next video. See you in the next video. Good day.